We have our Govee Outdoor Permanent Lights. Can you do that again for the camera? No. One time.
Inside the box, you'll find nice movement. Disregard that. We don't need instructions. We're mad. He needs instructions because he's a little freaking big.
You gotta push it for 5 seconds, Cody. Hey everybody, just sitting here on my roof watching the installation of the Govee Outdoor Permanent Lights. These things are really pretty cool. You would absolutely love these lights. They're easy to put up, easy to install. If you have a high roof like I did, my roof was about 30 feet off the ground, you're going to need a safe ladder. Make sure that you are safe when you do it. But these lights are for you. Check out the link in the description. I'm not paid by Govee, but I do earn a commission on any sales. Check these lights out. I hope you enjoy them. Hope you like them as much as I do. Have a great day. God bless.